100 ya.
Check.
Landing gear down, fly 15.
Landing gear down. Flaps 15.
Check. Flap 15 speed ya.
Check. Flap 15 set.
Check. Flap 30.
Flaps 30. Radio altimeter live.
Check. Update VREF.
VREF update. Flaps 30 set.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist, engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brake.
Arm
Landing gear.
down.
Flaps.
Flap 30 green light.
Landing checklist complete, runway inside.
Check. Runway inside.
Runway 37 under 5, we got runway inside.
Okay, Lancer 37 under 5, report distance from touchdown.
5 nautical mile, touchdown, Lancer 37 under 5.
Okay, Lancer 37 under 5, surface wind 260, 10 knots, cadence 100 niner. Runway to niner, clear to land.
Copy wind condition 1009, runway 29. Clear to land, Lancer 37 under 5, Papa Kilo 5 Juliet Yankee.
5 Juliet Yankee, happy landing.
Thank you. Wind 260, 10 knots, 1009, clear to land.
Check. Set light.
Light set.
Go on, head into H7, minimum 2500 ya.
Check.
Baru kita belok kiri, direct to Biak, climb 5000.
Yes, check. 1500 configure.
Check. Go on altitude 5000.
Check. 1000.
Check 680
1000.
baru stabilize continue.
Check, BPP, go ground, wind,
Check.
head 7, left 1.
Check. Null flight.
Check.
Cycle flight director.
Flag director, recycle.
Check.
Head 8, left 1.
Approaching 29.
Papi to white.
Minimums.
Continue.
Check. Continue ya.
$500.
500.
Check.
Head 9, left 1.
Continue.
400.
Check. Stabilize, continue. Head 9, left 2.
300. 200.
Head 9, left 3.
Check.
$100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. Reverse to number 1 normal.
Check.
$60 knots.
Lancer 37 under 5, landed 0145, exit via Bravo, stand number 5.
Exit via Bravo, parking stand number 5, landing 3795, POB 118, G departure.
G departure.
Via Bravo,
Check.
stand number 5. Bravo, number 5 ke kanan ya, Pak.
After landing procedure.
After landing.
Puppy lightnya kelihatan kayak merah, kuning, samar-samar ya.
Samar-samar.
Cuma pas deket-deket dua merah,
Dua
putih.
merah, dua putih.
Iya, Mas.
Sama terkecoh juga dengan warna runway-nya, Gap.
Iya.
Yang sini hitam. Iya, yang sini putih.
Resultnya di sebelah mana
Iya.
nih yang bener ya?
Sini putih, di depannya hitam. Stand number 5. Marshal inside.
Check. Taxi light off.
Lights off. Fusion device available. Brake pressure on the green.
Selamat datang di Frans Kaisepo
Frans Kaisepo
Airport di Biak.
Biak.